Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share an inspiring story that reminds us all of the incredible power of perseverance and self-belief. This is the story of a boy named Thomas, who faced challenges that would have discouraged many, yet he emerged as a beacon of brilliance. Born into poverty, Thomas struggled with reading and writing from a young age. His teachers, unable to see his potential, labeled him as mentally slow. Imagine the weight of those words on a young mind, feeling lost and misunderstood in a world that seemed to have already written him off. Classmates mocked him, and after failing multiple exams, he dropped out of school. It would have been easy for Thomas to accept defeat, to let those harsh judgments define him. But instead, he chose a different path. In the quiet of his home, Thomas began to experiment. He embraced failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. With each attempt, he learned something new, fueled by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to understand the world around him. He failed hundreds of times, but each failure brought him closer to success. His relentless spirit and innovative thinking eventually led him to make groundbreaking discoveries that would change the course of history. Today, we remember Thomas Edison not as the boy who struggled in school, but as a genius who illuminated the world with his inventions. His story teaches us that our beginnings do not dictate our futures. It's a powerful reminder that resilience, creativity, and a willingness to learn from failure can lead to extraordinary achievements. Thank you for joining me in celebrating this remarkable journey. If you found inspiration in Thomas's story, consider following or subscribing for more uplifting tales. Remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback.